Hello everyone, this is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. I'm currently using my BlackBerry Curve in order to film my TOC Town on the Express planner update. Just wanted to share with you the planners that I'll be using for season 9, where I'm going to do some workshops as well as planner tutorial. So that's just a brief glimpse and overview, but just to go a little bit deeper, the standard size stretching worked out really great. So of course I'll post a card in the corner above so that you can see the before and when I first purchased it till now. And it did start stretching and accommodating more inserts, so I went ahead and put the first 4 inserts that I'm going to be using for the summer in order to go deeper into what I'm planning for my retreat channel. So if you want to follow up and be alerted, be sure to press the notification bell so then you know the next time that I post. I'm going to try and keep up with a weekly posting schedule this summer, if not 2 times a week. So hopefully things work out great as far as my technical upgrade is concerned. Then I'll be able to do it a lot easier. So this is one thing that became a lot easier because I'm able to post on Twitter now directly from this device. So it makes it a lot easier to just film a quick video, update it to TOCTown_red on Twitter, and also my Instagram account is TOCTown_red. So either or, you can follow me on both of those channels, but I'll definitely be posting more YouTube channel planner updates while I'm on retreat. So in case this is your first time here, this is my standard size that I'm getting ready to post my 10,000 hours documented as far as all of the work that I've been doing in order to establish toctown.com. Here's my craft case, which of course I'll link a full walkthrough for you. This is just a prop box that I'm using for the garden series that we're going to be starting on this summer. Some Old Navy gift card is actually a part of a longer conversation that I've had for Café con Leche. So I will be sending these out as a gift to one of our patrons. So you won't see this after this, but what I do recommend is that you buy a special pair of shoes to let you know what, I'm not working today. I'm definitely on retreat, where you can start writing and praying and seeking the word concerning whatever direction you're looking to focus on for your season and your small business. And this is the Day Runner, my binder for special events, also the Purposeful Planner by Corey Clark. In here are my B6 Slim inserts by various small business owners. And of course, Lori Beth Jones, I recommend all of her books, to read. I did a book club, I think it was 2014, with The Path. And I'm looking forward to reviewing this book for another tutorial and also a book club discussion. Here are some extra inserts that I keep for my personal planner. The A6 that I'm going to be using for collabs, also my micromanager, and my these are the jewelry and all the props that I need while I'm filming, YouTube videos as well as video blogs and on other platforms. And this, of course, is the Studio Media Kit. Purposeful Planner pad sheets on a clipboard. What I'm going to be doing is stamping on these post-it notes 3x3, and then of course planning out all of the events that I need for my garden studio this fall. So all of this stuff is going to carry all of the information that I need to just present and post for you. So I ask that you keep continuing to like, comment, and definitely share, as I'm looking to increase our subscriber base and qualify for so many more other things to be supported here on this channel. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOC Town. I'm on the Express. Take care.